Welcome to this video, where we explore the fascinating depths of the human mind, bridging the gap between what we know and what lies beneath the surface. Our journey today takes us into the intriguing world of conscious and unconscious phenomena, two fundamental forces shaping every thought, decision, and action we take. Whether you're aware of it or not, your mind is constantly juggling these two dimensions, creating a seamless flow of experiences that define who you are. Think about it. Have you ever suddenly remembered something out of nowhere? Or maybe found yourself reacting to a situation instinctively without fully understanding why? These moments aren't just coincidences, they're the dynamic interplay between your conscious awareness and the unconscious processes operating behind the scenes. In this video, we'll break down what it means to be conscious, how unconscious behaviors guide us without our realization, and why understanding this balance is crucial for personal growth, decision-making, and even creativity. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's unlock the mysteries of your mind together. Understanding conscious behavior. Conscious behavior refers to the actions and decisions you make with full awareness. It's the realm of logic, deliberate thought, and purposeful action. For instance, when you solve a math problem, decide what to eat for dinner, or choose a career path, you're engaging your conscious mind. The conscious mind is like the captain of a ship. It steers and directs, making sense of the world through reasoning and intentionality. But it's also limited. It can only process a small amount of information at a time. This limitation is where the unconscious steps in as an invaluable ally. Exploring unconscious behavior. Unconscious behavior operates beneath the radar of awareness. It's the part of the mind that stores memories, processes emotions, and manages countless automatic functions like breathing, blinking, or your heart rate. But it doesn't stop there. The unconscious mind also influences your habits, biases, and instincts. For example, if you've ever driven home and realized you barely remember the journey, that's your unconscious mind at work. It's like a backstage operator, ensuring everything runs smoothly while your conscious mind focuses on immediate tasks. The relationship between the two. Think of the conscious and unconscious as two partners in a dance. The conscious mind sets the rhythm and direction, while the unconscious mind provides the intuition and automatic responses that make the dance seamless. However, this partnership isn't always harmonious. Sometimes, unconscious biases or fears can shape our decisions without us realizing it, leading to internal conflict or self-sabotage. Recognizing this dynamic is the first step toward understanding ourselves better. Why it matters. When we become more aware of unconscious influences, we can start to challenge them. For instance, if you recognize that your procrastination stems from an unconscious fear of failure, you can consciously work to overcome it. This understanding is also essential for building emotional intelligence, improving relationships, and enhancing creativity. The more you tap into both your conscious and unconscious mind, the more balanced and empowered you'll feel. Real-life applications. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful tools for bridging the gap between conscious and unconscious processes. By focusing your awareness, you can uncover hidden patterns and gain greater control over your thoughts and behaviors. Therapy, journaling, and even dream analysis can also help you explore the unconscious mind, providing valuable insights into your deeper motivations and desires. Now that we've delved into the world of conscious and unconscious phenomena, what do you think? How often do you rely on your unconscious instincts versus deliberate conscious thought? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Understanding the mind is an ongoing journey, and the more you know, the better equipped you are to make meaningful changes in your life. So take a moment to reflect on what you've learned today, and think about how you can apply it to your everyday experiences. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming explorations into psychology, self-improvement, and the mysteries of human behavior. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay mindful, and keep exploring the infinite potential of your mind. See you soon.